19. Future directions. Where do you see the Pythagorean Order of Death concept going next? Spin-off works? Multimedia adaptations? Workshops? I can easily see the POD being developed into a mixed reality, headset, role-playing game type platform. Beyond this, someday, I can even see the same maps and designs being taken and used to build a theme park in real life. The entire Atlantean capital city of Agade is no more than a single square mile. I have CAD designs prepared as proof of concept, and am working with friends on a presentation for this material now. All that either of these projects would take to get underway would be investors. The groundwork of the IP is already done. The POD can provide the backbone of a vast RPG-type world that, if offered for further development to any and everyone, could produce a renewal in intelligent gaming with long-form storytelling and puzzle solving, rather than, as currently, only first-person shooter quests dominating the market.